In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the dumbbell thruster exercise. Now, this is a fantastic exercise, not only to work the muscles of the legs, but also as well to work your trunk stabilizers and your shoulders when you do the overhead press part of the movement. Now, you can either decide to do heavy weights and low repetitions. That would be if you was wanting to work on your strength and explosive power. You can then either decide to do lower weights and high repetitions if you're looking for more of a cardiovascular benefit, or to put this into something like circuit training or high intensity training. Now, the first thing you're going to do, bring your feet just slightly wider than hip width apart. I'm going to pick up the weights with a nice straight back. And then from here, I want the weights resting on your shoulder. So the weights aren't away from the body, they're resting on the shoulder. From here, once you're in position, so feet slightly wider than hip width apart, you're going to have your knuckles facing up towards the ceiling, elbows in towards the body. You're going to come into your squat, so bum coming back into the squat, and then you're going to thrust the weights up, bring the weights back down, and then repeat the motion. So if you're looking to do this for speed and power, you'll have big heavy weights, you'll be coming down and really putting as much emphasis into power as possible when you're bringing the weights up. Now, for some people, they start to get a little bit of lower back pain when they do this, and I'm going to show you where this exercise can go wrong, especially if you get tired and you're doing lots of repetitions. So it's really important that we have core and glutes working on this. We don't want to be coming up into the movement where when you come up, we're extending through the lower back to get those weights up. We want to keep the core and glutes nice and stable, nice neutral spine. We want to make sure that you're squeezing as hard as you can through the glutes and core when you're bringing those weights up. Of course, you'd repeat that for your desired amount of repetitions or seconds, and you would do that for your desired amount of sets. That's how to do the dumbbell thruster exercise.